Hey guys, welcome back. Drip Coach here with Drip and Farm for Poverty, where we don't trust, we verify, and operate with integrity and transparency. Man, this has caught me by surprise. Have not paid attention to this at all. And then I saw a Watcher Guru post, I think, and last week, OKB did a burn where they cut the supply from 60 some odd million down to the tongue-in-cheek 21 million. So they have the same supply now as Bitcoin. You can see it there, circulating supply. And that caused, obviously, cutting it in half caused an immediate price shock and a doubling of the price. And now it's just been on a rip. And I wanted to bring this up because this is like the first time in a long time that I've actually taken profits. So we're gonna go back and look at this. If you remember, probably many of you don't, because not many of you watch that video, but I made this video back here a little over a year ago. Let's get those receipts. June 12th, 2024. Listen to this.
And to me, these $40 to $50 prices are a great range, especially looking at the fact that when BTC hit that all-time high earlier this year, we hit 72. So I see this as being an easy 2x, 3x with very little risk. It's one of the safer bets, in my opinion. Yeah, BNB.
So that was me telling you guys a year and 4 months ago to buy OKB. And that was simply because at that time, OKB got on my radar from the SwapX team. And then I did my research and found out that they're like, number 3 DEX and centralized exchange in the world. They do a lot of marketing in Asia. They don't catch wind of the US because they literally just said, screw the US. They do a lot of stuff in like Taiwan and Korea and stuff like that. So I said this could be an easy 2 to 3x with little to no risk. And clearly that's exactly what happened, because here we are now sitting at just under a 5x. So in this video, I showed you guys how to buy it. I was literally out here making the purchase myself. And again, let's get those receipts, because like I said, don't trust, verify, right? So we come out here to OKB, and on the OKB chain, on the OKX chain, have 3 transactions. Well, 4, but anyway, we'll see it here. Right there, June 5th, 2024, I bought $1,000 worth, $992, got 20 OKB, so just under 50 bucks a piece. Then a day later, I think when I made this video, is when I bought another 1,000. So I got 20 and a half. The price dropped a little bit then, I think. Or no, it's probably still about the same. It's just put in more money. So $2,000, and I got myself 40 OKB tokens. Oops. And we can see that here on chain. If I refresh this, OKB, connect the wallet, X layer right there, 40.99 tokens. So what I'm gonna do is take profits. Not all of that, of course, 20% roughly. Basically that gives me my investment back. So the rest is house money. I do believe there's still plenty of room left in this bull run, so I'm not gonna take all this out right now. We will see. So at a minimum, you should always take profits, lock in profits. So no one ever got broke or lost money from taking profits. Successfully traded 8.99 for $2,081. So like I said, that takes all of my initial capital I put in, takes it out. And then I'm gonna bridge this over and buy some actual Bitcoin with it. Because like I told you guys, at this stage, I am all in on Bitcoin. So for me, locking in profits is just buying Bitcoin at whatever price. I might put some of this in as a buy order on Coinbase or Binance, but probably just gonna roll it straight into BTC and buy the dip right here with wherever BTC is at right now. So there are some alts pumping right now. I can't really say if we are in altcoin season or not yet. Fear and greed, not according to this, we're not. But clearly there are some alts pumping. BNB hit an all-time high. I just showed you OKB, obviously an all-time high. That's clearly using a different measuring stick because of they did the burn and then that caused the trigger. Some other alts are doing okay, not quite at all-time highs, but they're definitely higher than they were last cycle. So that's, again, the Raoul Pal thesis. Don't fuck this up. You have to pick the right alts, and then it's going to be different timing. So even if you're in altcoin season, that does not mean your alts will run. It doesn't mean they won't run. They could run before, they could run after. Like, I believe the gas will run out of OKB before the rest of the alts run. Personally, I don't know. That's just a hunch because of what's taking place right now. But either way, locking in those profits guarantees you're not caught off sides. So that's all I got. Just want to give you guys an update. Like I said, don't trust, verify. So there's the receipts. One of my calls coming in. BNB is obviously up as well. So that's one I told you guys I was bullish on. So I haven't taken any profits on that because I believe there's definitely more legs left in BNB. But as I stated in that video, it's easier to pump a smaller market cap token. BNB requires a lot more capital to move this bad boy. But I believe we can get to Ethereum price ranges. Like, I believe BNB could, they're not going to flip it now, but the old, when ETH was sitting at around 2K. So I believe we still got like another 100 billion in this market cap for this cycle. Personally, this is just hunch. All right, that's all I got for this video. Smash that HBO special, help a brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, live daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.